Hello everyone, let's simplify this trigonometric expression. So what we're going to do, we're going to look at each component, we discuss it, then I write it down. Right, let's start with the first one here, which is sine negative x. This is a negative angle. Sine negative x, this is a negative angle. So it means this is equal to negative sine x. Remember, negative angles, it is only cos negative x that will give you positive cos x, okay? All right, so here we write it down. This is negative sine x. Come to this one. Okay, you say cos x minus 180 degrees. But what's the problem with this one here? It's not 180 minus x, it's x minus 180. So how can we make this one become 180 minus x? We have to factor out negative 1. Remember what we do also in algebra when you say x minus y is equal to negative y minus x. You see that? When you factor out negative 1, then the terms in the bracket can be swapped around. So it means this one is going to be cos and then negative 180 minus 180 degrees minus x. You see that? Let's write that one down. So it's going to be cos negative 180 degrees minus x. See that? Done. We go to the third one. This is tan 360 degrees minus plus x. Where is this? Which quadrant is it? This one is in the form, these are the equations in the form k times 360 degrees plus x. You see that? Remember I said these ones for tan k times 360 plus x is equal to tan x. Remember that, isn't it? So here is the same thing. So we're going to say this is, the k is like 1. K is 1 here, 360 plus x. So it means this is tan x. Tan x, the angles that are greater than 360 degrees. That's what we do. Okay, so this one is going to be tan x. Tan x. This is the angle greater than 360 degrees. Right, and then we move on to this one here. This is cos x plus 90 degrees. Addition is not a problem because addition is what? Commutative. Addition is commutative. 5 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 5. You see that? Addition and multiplication are commutative, but not subtraction and division. You see that? So here it means we can swap these things around without what? Factoring anything out. So it's cos 90 degrees plus x. Just swap things around. So that's what we write here. This is cos 90 degrees plus x. Right, we're doing the last one now. Sine 900. Again, we're going back to the angles more than 360 degrees. And remember, we said that sine k times 360 degrees plus x, it is equal to sine x. See that? 900 is going to be 360 times what? It has to be 360 times 2, isn't it? Our k is going to be 2, which is sine 2 times 360. 2 times 360 degrees, that is 720. And then we have to add, which this is going to be equivalent to this x here. We're going to say this is 720, then we have to add 180 degrees to make it 900. And then plus, is it plus or negative? No, should be negative here. Okay, so here I used positive, positive. That's why here is positive. Okay, so there is negative. So it's negative. So we have to use negative there. So minus x. You see that? So this is equivalent. Okay, it's equivalent to this x here. Is equivalent to this x here. See that? So this is like sine 180 degrees minus x. See that? That's what we write there. So it's going to be sine 180 degrees minus x. Right, we're almost there. Now we need to simplify our things further. If you check what we have, we're going to change some of things, and some things we're going to do them again in the next level. So we have negative sine x. Let's just write it as it is for now. Okay. And then cos negative 180 minus x. This is like a negative angle. And then we said cos negative x is cos x. So it's going to be, this is going to be cos 180 minus x. See that? And then tan x, let's just leave it as tan x for now. We'll see, maybe we'll need to change it to sin x over cos x, but let's leave it for now. And then cos 90 plus x, be careful. What is it? It's negative sin x. Remember complementary angles, negative sin x. Remember cos 90 minus x is sin x, but cos 90 plus x is negative sin x. And then, these brackets are not complete. In the note about sine 180 minus x, this is in the second quadrant. And in the second quadrant, it's going to be sin x. Sin x is positive, so it's going to be positive sin x there. You see that? Right. Is there anything we can cancel there? Yes, negative sin x divided by negative sin x is fine. Okay. And then we can simplify this. Again, reduction. This is 180 degrees. Cos 180 minus x is in the second quadrant, and this is negative cos x. Right, and then times. Now you see, it's going to be nice now. Sin x over cos x. Okay, I should have a space here to say divided by 1 here, so that you can see what is happening. Right, and then over sin x. Okay, this sin x here. Right, and then here cos x, negative cos x divided by cos x, you get negative 1. So we're remaining with, let me write the answer here, the final answer here. So we're remaining with, these cancelled each other. We remained with 1. So we're remaining with negative sin x over sin x, which is equal to negative 1. Okay, that's what you're supposed to do there. Right, we'll do another one in the next video.